Hello my family members, welcome back to Tekno UF channel. If you are eager to learn about the recruitment process, eligibility criteria, syllabus and pattern for the GATE and PGET roles at Hexaware Technologies, then you are at the right place. Let's jump into it. So they are giving 4 LPA salary to GATE candidate and they are giving 6 LPA for PGET candidate. That means the Premier Graduate Engineer Trainee. So to be part of Hexaware Technology, here is what you need. You have to be a student of 2024 batch, and for off-campus batch you should be 2023, and the qualification is any graduate batches. That means CSE, IT, ECE, EE, right, EIE from BTech or BE course, and your percentage criteria, that is 60% or 6.0 CGPA throughout 10th, 12th and UG or PG, right? And you should not have any backlog right now, and the gap criteria is only 1 year of span is allowed, right? Before we proceed to the next section, let me announce that I am going to make a separate playlist for Hexaware, so subscribe this channel to get all the previous year questions and updates of Hexaware, right? Okay, let's go through the rounds. For Hexaware GATE candidate, they will have total 4 rounds. That is, first round is aptitude test and domain based round, then communication assessment, then technical interview, after that HR interview. Then for PGET candidates, they are having aptitude test and domain based, and then the only thing is new for them is coding, right? All are same: communication assessment, technical interview and HR interview. Okay, so now let's go through the detailed information for GATE candidate they have shared. That is, they are having 20 questions from each section: quant, logical and verbal, and all of them are medium difficulty level, and 60 minutes total reserved for these 3 sections. And for domain based, they are having 30 questions all total, and 30 minutes is allocated for this. From pseudocode there will be 15 questions, and from computer fundamentals there will be 15 questions, right, and high difficulty level. And for PGET candidate, they are having all the sections same, just different is the coding, right? They are having two coding question and having 40 minutes. All are the high difficulty levels. But if you watch this channel, I mean, if you skip watching this channel, then it will be easier, because I will solve most of the all suggestive questions, all previous year questions, right? So there will be no negative marking as of now, right? Okay, now let's take a closer look at the syllabus and pattern that you will be encountering during these rounds. So from quant section, there will be LCM and HCF percentage ranking based, ratio and proportions, ages, speed, time and distance, probability, profit and loss, times and work, line graph, bar graph, tabular, data interpretation, pie chart. From logical section, there will be syllogism, arrangements, letter series, coding and decoding, ranking and sequence, blood relations, relationship between words, visual reasoning, odd one out, statements and conclusion, statements and arguments. And from verbal sections, you will have prepositions and conjunction, idioms and phrases, fill in the blanks, spelling checks, analogy, one word substitution, synonyms and antonyms, sentence improvement, right? Guys, I will solve all of them, right? So please subscribe this channel to get all the preparation based video. And from domains based section, you will have computer fundamentals, C++, OOPS concept, DBMS, OS concepts, operating system concept, data structure and algorithm, computer networks, computer architecture and organizations, pseudocode in C language and data structure. These all are important topic for domain based section, right? And from coding section for PGET candidate, if you are not PGET candidate, then avoid this. And if you are PGET candidate, then obviously solve, I mean, the important topics for you: recursion, analysis of algorithm, application of searching and sorting, backtracking and dynamic programming. Please go through these chapters, right? Okay, now let's see how many questions will be there from each chapter. From LCM HCF, you will have 0 to 1. From percentage, from ranking based, you will have 0 to 1 questions, right? And from ratio, from ages, you will assume there will be maybe 2 questions. And from bar graph, line graph, probability, and speed, time, and distance, you will have 0 to 1 questions. And from profit and loss, there may be 0 to 2 questions come. And from mixture and allocations, pie chart, and tabular data interpretation, you will have 0 to 1 questions from each, right? Guys, one thing I forgot to say you that all the rounds in Hexaware are eliminatory round, right? And one thing I will share later, that is the cutoff marks, right? So I hope I walked you through all the queries you have in your mind about Hexaware recruitment process, right? Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And wishing you all the best to your journey to Hexaware. Thank you.